It's a very proud moment for us as we, Six Senses Kanuhura Engineering, has been nominated and what won the award of the Hotelier Maldives. This is one of the greatest achievement we could ever have, and we all are very proud and passionate to be make sure that in coming year we will success more awards. The achievement and the contribution for achieving this award is that how we start with our day has our brand pillar sustainability, has all of we know that we are running a luxury property on a remote island, and being a remote place, we always look at our sustainability in our day-to-day life operations. That puts us into the day and the moment what we reach till now. We make consistency of the high standard as we always believe that the four functions in the engineering department, which is planning, coordinating, directing and controlling. So when we plan every day morning with a proper briefing, which allocate assigning the team members on their tasks, and each members has been taken their responsibility serious, and these efforts makes us contributions. The main engineering challenge if you are running a luxury property in an island resort, which is we have to be planning well. And planning in terms that, as I said in first, four functional facilities, four functional activities which involves in engineering operation, as well as a luxury property. When the guest arrives here, they have a lot of expectations. So we always one step ahead to make sure that their expectations are maintained. We are pledged to maintain our Kanuhura surroundings, not hammering the nature, protecting the nature and loving the nature. That's why we are able to do that. We do as a property, we always plan a proper preventive maintenance. So every preventive maintenance has their own actions, and that action takes the results to maintain the property, a well described and well strong preventive and maintained hotel. Yes, we do had last year a very complex issue with one of the water supply to the main kitchen. So that leakage we have been identified, but we could not be resolved until unless it has been completely shut off. But while you're shutting off, the entire operation need to be stopped, which is also affect to the guest operation as well as the entire kitchen operation. So my team has been working there after their work hours at midnight, spending a month to identifying the leakage. Once we identify the leakage, it has been resolved within a short span of breakdowns, and that savings has been almost saved us about $30,000 USD in a year. Here the engineering role is most important. That's why every project and renovation is a part of our daily life. So when we do a renovation of a project, we always think about the future preventive maintenance. So when we are doing the project, that prospects and features always look at how we could do an easy preventive maintenance when we implementing or we do any new renovations. We are the part of Six Senses. So our main pillar is sustainability. So when you look at a sustainability is our breath. So we live in sustainability, we work in sustainability, and we think about sustainability. So this is what we do every day. Every process and activities what we do, we monitor and we document this. That documentation and monitoring makes us to survive a sustainability hotel. For the lighting of the festive is one of the biggest challenge as well as the biggest achievement for us every year. So we do been using last 2 years a lot of recycled materials. We using the same material that has been used from the day the first festive start begin. And the last year we made our one of the biggest Christmas tree by using the dry coconut husk. Then we've been using recycled bottles to converting into souvenirs, decorating materials for the Christmas trees. Then using the waste jungle food, converting into reindeers, placing various part of the resorts. And every single Christmas decorations, we have been looked at to utilizing 80% has been recycled materials, and not taking a new material. We believe engineering is the backbone of a hotel. So collaborating and cooperation between core departments are very important. That's why we do weekly meetings, monthly meetings, and walk rounds with them. And every departments we maintain a well-respected relationship, which makes us our life more easy and providing a better product. Every engineering leaders, they have their own tasks and responsibilities, and they have been given all the leverage and privilege and authorization to run these sections. That makes my operation more reliable and trusting them, and that trust makes us more stronger department. We do have a lot of training programs conducted inside the department. It's not that the training is necessity to take a whole day. It can be pick up a daily life, a daily work life activities, which takes a 15 to 20 minutes. These type of trainings, as always, put them and make sure that they are well known about the products are coming into the market. And development terms, in last 2.5 years, I have been developing a lot of my local talents and my departments from the line host to the assistant manager level. These are the development is made the team more stronger and more consistent. This award actually boosted a lot of morale for my team. One is being nominated one of the best resort engineering department in the whole country. That's a proud moment for us. And definitely we will be looking at every single day, working with the sustainable solutions to coming years that makes property more stronger and more business oriented. We have two main pillars of sustainability and wellness. Sustainability is, as I said, it's a breath of our daily life. We do a lot of energy conservation activities. We looked at energy conservation method, and not only conservating method, we looked at implementing the conservation methods and having a sustainable running pattern of engineering operations, which has driving the generators, running the water plants, having a sewage treatment plant being used properly. Then looking at the wellness, yes, we do one of the best department among the hotel has always make sure that we give my teams on day offs on weekly, which always makes them stronger to contribute their daily activities. And participating the weekly wellness activity is one of our core pillars, and we do strongly believe and the team strongly follow that activities.